everybody. Today I'm going to be talking, unboxing and first impressions of my Squid Industries Nautilus. I did already open it and play with it. I did it live on my Discord with some friends, so that was fun. But I'll just do a second one, just for some fun. I did get titanium hardware, not to put on my Nautilus, just in case. Just to have some extras in case I had to do something. I have some titanium hardware, and that's about everything else I bought. So I just bought the Nautilus and hardware. I'll open that in a second. You have the sticker. All your information. And then you have your titanium hardware. I got 4 washers, and just a standard set. This was a couple bucks off. It only cost me $4, I want to say. So that's very cool. And I'll just be comparing it a bit, like showing like the length and the weight. But this is just my first impressions, and I'll do a full review in a week or two. There's the sticker. And there should be a sticker inside here. Knife. So you have a Squid Industries sticker. Put that over there. And you get, like the standard card that you get with every single knife. The warranty and the maintenance tips. Now this comes with washers. So I did tune it down to like as much as I could, basically. So it has no tap. Tiny, like smallest, like tiny bit of play. Here it is. And I did oil it, so that's why you can see a bit of oil there. Tiny bit, and I'm pushing, a bit hard. I'll tighten that down. Here it is. Now, my first impressions was actually... Wait, this doesn't feel like... Okay, so this was my first impression, is that it didn't actually feel very different from my Triton. I was like, what's going on here? But then I flipped it for, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and I'm like, this is weird. This should feel different. But then I went back to my Triton, and I'm like, oh my god, it just felt so different. Like, at first I didn't feel anything, but then I'm like, what is wrong with my Triton? And then I realized it was because, also, yeah, I'm selling this today, but the reason I didn't feel anything was just because, I don't know, I guess I expected more. And then I flipped it, I'm like, oh, this isn't very different. But then I realized it was extremely different, and then I liked it more when I started flipping my Triton again. But yeah, it's really nice. I got the ink blade because that was the only type that they had in stock. Here, let's do a tap test. I'm shaking it really hard. Out of box, no tap, no play. Sorry, very, very, very small amount of tap. Play, sorry. But I tuned it a tiny bit. It's very nice. It's a very smooth flipper. It's super, like, it can do anything, really, and it's really light. And these G10s, the G10 scales are not too grippy. People said it was, like, sticky and then it hurt you a bit. That's what I heard. So far, it has not hurt me. Now, I have a couple of gripes. First, the spine is chamfered. I don't mind that. Like, that's better. That's better than, what do you call it? That's better than not, being chamfered like my Triton here. But the problem with this is that it's chamfered and not crowned. And it feels good, but it could feel a lot better. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, that was my first impressions. I have to go now. I'm actually going to sell my Triton. But yeah, I'll see you in a tiny... I'll do a review on this, and yeah. Thank you.